Okay, Ara. This is your English worksheet. This is your
English worksheet.
Yes. Today you are going to match the alphabet letters
Alphabet letters
with each others.
each
With
other.
each others. Okay, Ara. See, we have two lines. We have two alphabet lines. We have
Two alphabet
lines.
But-
Okay, alphabet lines.
line.
Yes. Can you touch the first alphabet line?
A.
Yes, this is first alphabet line. And where is second alphabet line? This is. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. See, in the first line, we have the letters A, B, C, D, E and
D.
F. Okay?
A B C D
E, F. Okay? And in the second line, also the same letters.
Second line.
Yes. In the second line also the same letters.
Same letter.
But positions of the letters are not same.
Not same.
Yes, positions of the letter are different. Okay.
Yes.
So you have to find the same letter. You have to find the
Same letter.
same letter from first line to second line. From the first line to
Second line.
Okay, Arav. Okay, Arav. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me which letter is this?
A.
This is letter.
A.
Can you find the letter A from the second line?
This is.
Yes. Can you match the letter from the first line to second line with the help of slanting line? Very nice. Okay, this is letter.
B.
Can you find the letter B from the second line?
This is.
Very nice. Can you match with the slanting line? Very nice. Can you find a letter? Okay, this is letter.
D.
Can you find the letter C from the second line?
This is.
Very nice. Yes, yes, match it. Good. Next letter is?
D.
Yes. Can you match letter D? Can you find letter D?
This is.
Very good. Yes, yes, match it.
I matched it.
Okay, Ara. Next letter is?
E.
E. Can you find the letter E from the second line?
E.
Yes.
This is.
Good. Can you match it? Very nice. Next letter is?
F.
F. Can you match the letter F? Good. Next letter is?
D.
Letter G. Can you find the letter G from the second line?
D.
Yes. Can you find the letter G from the second line?
This is.
Good. Can you match it? Very good. Next letter is?
H.
A. This is letter?
A.
Can you find the letter H from the second line?
This is.
Good. Okay. Next letter is?
I.
Touch the I from the first line. This is your first line. Can you match letter I with the second line?
Second line.
Yes. Yes. Next letter is?
D.
This is letter.
J.
Can you find the letter J
J.
from the second line?
This is.
Okay. Can you match it? Very good. This is letter.
K.
Can you find the letter K from the second line?
K.
Yes. Can you find letter K?
This is.
Good. Next letter is? This is letter.
O.
Okay. Can you find a letter L from the second line?
This is.
Good. Very nice, Ara. Good job. That's all for today. Okay. Thank you, Ara.
Thank you. Bye, friends. And my video.